Hello.
Hello everyone.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello Umaima. Hello Musfira. Okay. Hello Ali. How are you? Ali. Umaima, please turn on your screen. Zainab. Ali. Umaima. Musfira. Yes. What you all were playing, Umaima?
Ma'am, turn on your screen.
I can't turn on my screen because this is not my, I'm not going to teach, right? It's Ashwini ma'am's session. Okay. So otherwise you will be confused who is going to teach then? No. Okay. So there are few kids who are going to join in, Ashwini ma'am. So we'll just wait for 1 or 2 minutes.
Sure, Shazia ma'am. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, ma'am.
Lovely to see you. Umaima, you defeated me. Good girl. Ali, are you taking a dip in the water? Oh, Ali is there. Ali is there. Did you all practice? Zainab, did you get a chance to practice?
I practiced 2 times.
Awesome. That's terrific. Muskurat, you also practiced?
I also practiced.
Cool. Ali, what about you? Ali, you need to do something with your audio, beta. You're not very clear. And children, please bear with me. I have a very bad cold today. So I will keep on sneezing in between. Achoo. Good morning, Khadija. How are you, dear? Ali, try to talk. No, Ali. Ali, try to say something.
Hello.
Yeah. Now speak a little louder.
I forgot.
Ali?
Yes, now. I forgot.
Oh, he said I forgot. Oh.
Not that. Call, but I forgot my questions. What I say, why I do 7 questions. Dialogues, I forgot.
You forgot your dialogues, but you have practiced,
I only
right?
know 3.
No problem. We'll do that. No problem. Good morning, Omar.
Good morning.
How are you, boss? Boss, you remember your promise?
Hi. Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Khadija. Good to see you, sweetheart. Hi, Musfira Sayed.
Hi. Good morning.
Good morning. So, who is left? Mustafa is left. Okay. While Mustafa is joining, we are all going to present today, right? Yes or no, children? Give me a thumbs up. Thumbs down. Yes. Very good. Excellent. Shazia ma'am, this is getting recorded, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. So, I would like to send feedback to the parents.
Okay. Okay. So do
Right?
you
And
want
also
me?
the children.
Okay. So do you want me to put it on a speaker view so that, like, whenever
Yes.
kid, that would be better, right?
So they know how to speak in that view, right?
Yes, yes. Nothing. They don't have to do anything. I just have to put it on the speaker view. Only when they are speaking, no, they will come on the full screen.
Okay,
They
perfect.
will be on the full screen. Yes.
Yes. And that will also be a great feedback for the children themselves. So let them watch how they look when they talk.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. Absolutely fine.
Okay, now who is left? Mustafa, and who else is left? Both the Musfiras are here. Umaima, Zainab.
I think
Manha is left.
Manha is there, yeah.
Manha.
Manha is joined. Manha is joined.
Omar also.
Umar is there. You can see his thick black hair, can't you? Umar, can you put your phone on landscape, please? So that, yeah, that's much better. Musfira Rizwani, can you also do that? Great. Musfira Rizwani? Yeah. And Zainab, what is the other prop you have? What is that yellow thing?
That's a toy mobile.
It's a toy mobile. Okay, great. Okay, Manha is joining in. Once everybody joins,
I also have a toy mobile, but it broke.
Oh, okay, no problem. Yes, Musfira Sayyed?
We discussed it.
You discussed it. Awesome. Good job there. We'll just wait for Manha and Umar to join. Manha and Mustafa to join, and then we'll figure out. Till then,
Manha is here only.
yeah, but she's not like visible, right? Manha, are you there? Can you hear us?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, switch on your video then.
1 minute, ma'am.
Yep. Okay, then let me tell you one secret. When I have a cold, which I have quite often, I have a habit of sneezing 3 times. So just ignore it, okay? Just, you don't have to say, excuse me. You don't have to say God bless again and again. Otherwise, you'll get tired of saying God bless. This whole class will only be about saying God bless them. Right? Manha, switch on your video. Umar, go into portrait, go into landscape. Umar is sitting on the Ferris wheel. Umar, you are in Disneyland and sitting on the Ferris wheel. See, there he goes. He's sitting on his Ferris wheel. Okay. Cool. Manha, video on, please.
Did you went to Imagica? Did you went to Imagica?
Did you go to Imagica?
Huh?
Yes, I have been to Imagica, but I'll tell you a secret. I am super scared of all the rides. I did not sit on a single one because I start screaming and yelling and puking.
You know, ma'am.
So I don't sit on any ride.
From children's ride, there was a very ghost ride there was, and I went in there.
Wow, awesome. Manha, you're looking so cute.
Thank you, ma'am.
Awesome. Those cats are making you look very cute.
There was a dinosaur ride I went to and I got wet.
Yeah, the Rajasaurus ride, right? Correct.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am? Do you know that ride coming from this fasting one?
No, I don't know the name because
Ma'am, it is a ride. It is a ride. You sit on a train type car and then it goes like this.
Go
It's
fast.
a roller coaster. It is a roller coaster. I love it.
I love it. Oh, very good. I'm scared of it. You know, I get Okay. All right, children. So quickly, instructions. Listen to the instructions. Ali, can you listen to the instructions, please? Everybody, are you listening? Everybody,
listen.
Okay. So, first rule, listen to the rule first. When one group is presenting, Umar, can I see your face? Yes. When one group is presenting, the others have to mute themselves completely, because even a single noise will show up on the speaker view. Okay? So mute yourself. Don't ask any questions. If you want to ask something, write it down. We will ask later. Okay, Khadija, 1 minute. Secondly, if you are 3 of you in the group, suppose it is me and Khatija and Umaima, okay, then you have to, I will finish my dialogue, then Khatija speaks, then or whatever, that order. Don't speak in between. Otherwise, again, the video recording will not be great, okay? Got it? Children, give me a thumbs up if you understood. Very good. And then these recordings are going to be shown to you by ma'am, so that you should be able to give yourself a feedback. And you should say, oh, that I did really well. But that part, I think I can improve on that. Okay? So giving yourself a feedback is very important. And I know you're smart enough to do that. What are you showing, Umaima?
Dialogue.
Oh, your dialogues. Okay. Khatija, what did you want to ask?
I wanted to ask in Magica, were you thinking would you like to eat something?
Would you like to?
In Magica, I rode the roller coaster.
You rode the roller coaster. I cannot. I'm too scared. I got scared even when my daughter was on it. Okay. All right. Shazia ma'am, should we?
Didn't want to look
Mustafa is here. Very good.
Roller coaster for children, roller coaster.
Sorry.
Ma'am,
Yes, Manha.
you know, I go to the wheel also, dragon wall also.
Okay, good job. Mustafa, switch on your video really fast, please. Okay. Good morning, Mustafa. Mustafa, we are going to start the presentations immediately. We were waiting for you to join. Can you please put your screen properly so that you can be seen better? You all know speaker mode, right?
Yes.
So ensure that you're not doing anything silly. Don't keep on moving and doing funny things. Be nice and smart when you're talking, okay?
Yes.
Dean and Umar, it will be nice to see you.
Can I tell you one thing?
No, not now. After the presentation, Mustafa, 2 instructions. When one group is presenting, everybody goes on mute, and then when one person of your group is talking, that time you wait, let them finish, and then you go on. Okay?
Yes.
Because we want to send this as a video recording, so let us do the recording properly. Okay, which is the group? I think so. Umaima's group gets the chance to start first because they had finished it last time itself. Okay, so which means Umaima, Musfira and Manha. Are you ready, girls? Be confident and rock it. Okay?
I forgot. Ma'am, which was
1 minute, 1 minute. Ali, it is okay to forget. Ali, it is okay to forget. If there is a particular line which you have forgotten, just answer whatever comes to your mind, right? Ali, are you okay with that? No problem. Okay. It is Musfira Rizwani. Umaima, Musfira Rizwani and Manha. All right, girls, are you ready? Everybody else, please go on mute. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and start.
I am not drawing or writing on you. I am not keeping you in me.
Just a second, girls, please wait. Shazia ma'am, you're going to put them on speaker view, right?
When I change my character, my football dialogues are very hard.
But you must have practiced with football, right?
Yes, but it's very hard. The football of dialogues are not nice that I have decided.
Okay, so what do you want to become?
I want to become. 1 minute.
Okay, I have put you on speaker.
I
now.
want to become a racing car.
Okay, no problem. So racing car and Mustafa, who are you?
Pencil.
Pencil. And Ali, you are a?
I am a torch.
You are a torch. Okay, fine. Ali, please come back to normal background. This way we can't get a good image of you. Don't be on the virtual background. Okay, Manha, Umaima, I have put you on the view again. You'll have to start again, but this time first say which object are you, okay? And then start. Use all types of expressions, hand movements, everything. Okay, girls?
Okay, ma'am.
All the best, children. And once more, I'm muting myself. 1, 2, 3, and go.
Hello, I am pen. Hello, I am a bag.
Musfira Rizvani, tell who you are. Musfira Rizvani. Louder, beta. No, beta, we can't hear you.
Ma'am, she told drawing.
Yes, but it was very unclear. No,
Here. Drawing the
Musfira Rizvani, try again.
drawing.
Okay, fine, fair enough. Girls, could you hear her? Umaima and Manha? Little bit. Musfira Rizvani, can you do it without the headphones? Try without the headphones, Musfira Rizvani.
Or she could just put it in the chat.
No, she can't put it in the chat.
See,
Just
I
just
am
in the
a-
dialogue, right? Yeah, Musfira Rizvani, speak.
I am a drawing.
Yeah, speak like this. This is much better. Okay. All right. Once more, girls. Musfira Rizvani, when Umaima says, I am a bag, after that you have to say, I am a drawing, and then continue. Understood, beta? Musfira Rizvani, did you understand? Okay, great.
Yes.
So, Manha, we are going to start again with you. 1, 2, 3, go.
Pen. I am a bag. I am a drawing. I am not drawing or writing on you. I am not going to keep you in me. Please, please, don't do this with me. Manha, say a dialogue. Okay, I will write on you for a few days. If I like you, then we can be friends. Okay, I will keep you in me for once. You can draw on me, you will be happy. Okay, I will keep you in me for a week. If I like you, then I will keep you. And if I don't like you, I will not keep you. You are so nice. I like to write and draw on you. Let us be friends. Why once? You can draw on me every time. Let's be friends. Musfira, let's be friends. Okay, you can try. Let's be friends. Let's be friends. What should I do like this? Done, ma'am.
Excellent. Good job, girls. I like the whole idea. You had a problem and then you found a solution for that. Good job. Fantastic. Children, did you all love it as well?
Yes.
So everybody unmute. I'm going to put it in gallery 1 minute and I'm going to show you how do we do the boom shaka shakal boom. Okay? Okay. So hands here, everybody.
Again.
Boom shaka shaka boom.
Boom, shaka, shaka, boom.
Okay, but with a deep voice. I don't want boom shaka shaka boom. Not like that. Deep voice. 1, 2, 3, go. Boom shaka shaka boom.
Boom, shaka, shaka, boom.
Awesome. Good job. So which group wants to go next? Should we have the boys now?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So let the boys. So we will do girls, boys, girls again. Okay. So Zainab and Muskila Sayed and Khadija, you will be the last group to go. All the best, boys. Did you understand what to do? And if somebody has forgotten, just call out the name. Like
Why
Umar.
boys will be so much? Boys only. There are 3 boys.
Yes, but there are 3 girls also in each group. So don't worry. You'll do well, boys. Don't worry.
No, only I'm telling there is only 3 boys
Correct,
and no boys.
Yes, Umar.
Ma'am, your voice is our chance.
Okay. Umar, you are not visible. There is a lot of light behind you. Can you draw that curtain? Otherwise, you're looking like Jesus Christ or something like that. Light coming from behind you.
Ma'am?
Yes, Manha.
Your voice is breaking.
Beta, everybody can hear me. Just wait for some time. Okay. Umar, are you ready? Sit in one fixed spot. Don't move. Okay. Perfect. Are you ready, boys? Ali, sit up, sit up. You should be seen. Okay, let me change to speaker view. And boys, all the best. First, identify which object you are, okay? 1, 2, 3, and start.
Mustafa. What? Your dialogue. You go first. Okay. You go first. I am very fast. And when I run, I feel very nice. And when I race with another racing car, I beat another racing car because I'm the fastest car. Then, ma'am. Ali, I'm a torch. I can shine bright. I can shine like a diamond, and I can make shadows as well. Done. I'm a pencil. I can burst the tires of the racing car, but the racing car can break my nose with its metal.
Are you done, boys?
Yes.
Good job. I'm going to gallery view. Let us do the boom shaka shaka. Boom. Ready? Fists out. Everybody ready? 1, 2, 3. Deep voice. And go. Boom shaka shaka boom.
Boom, shaka, 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 boom.
Excellent. Excellent. Very good. So I will give feedback only at the end, okay? After all the groups finish. But good attempt, boys. Very nice. All right. So now the last group. Zainab, Khatija, and
Ma'am,
Mr.
I know 3.
You know?
I know 3 items. 3
You know
dialogues I know.
Okay, good, good, lovely. Okay, are you ready, girls? Khatija, Musfira, Sayyad, and Zainab?
Yeah.
So introduce your item first and then only start, okay? All the best. 1, 2, 3, and go.
Hi. Hello.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, Khatija, 1 minute. Everybody else, please mute yourself. Musfira Rizwani, you are not on mute. Everybody, please mute yourself. Only Khatija, Musfira, Sayyad, and Zainab. You three will be on unmute. Zainab, unmute. Khatija, unmute. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, and start.
Hi, I'm a dinosaur. I'm very strong and I can hit anybody. Hi, I am a mouse. I can chew a nut with my sharp teeth. Hi, I'm a diamond and my diamond is shiny. I am a diamond pen and my diamond is shiny. I'm gonna take the diamond. I'm going to find the pen. I'm going to find the pen. I'm gonna take the diamond. I'm gonna take the diamond.
Okay, very good.
I just remember that I say. I'm going to take the diamond. I'm going to take it. I'm going to.
Very good.
I'm gonna.
It will give us.
No, I will.
Save some more.
No, I will.
Okay.
Let's do a race. Whoever gets the diamond and whoever hits the box first, they will get the diamond. Okay, let's do the race.
Come on, who is having the textbook? Tell me, please.
It's not in this box. Not in this box. I'm going to take this box. Not in this box too. I'm going to take this. I'm going to take it. Let's open it together. Okay.
This is the
It's not there. It's not there too. Let's go to the another box.
Ask her to write a letter to friends.
Yes. But I will get the another box first. I will get it. It's not in this box too. Let's go and check out. The diamond. Okay. Here is not in this box too. Here is one side and you go to the another side. First I tell let's become friends so that we can find the missing diamond again. Yes, let's become friends. There are 2 routes. Let's go to each route.
I might have needed it.
Okay, you go on one and I'll go on another. Ah, it's a trap. It's a trap. Oh no. Now we are going to be. Oh no. Let's run.
I might have needed it. Who told me?
But we can't because we are trapped. I will help you. I'm the diamond. Oh, the diamond pen ran away from us.
Mom, you can change.
But the diamond can only help us. We have to
Come to pay
do something. The diamond pen doesn't have its body part.
Okay.
I think now we have to find the pen.
Paragraph. Come to the third paragraph.
Oh, I saw it in one box.
Let's go find it in the box. Okay, let's go back.
Very good. Madam Forrester 2.
It was on first box or second?
2.
I think it was in the first box. Let's go and check.
Or to husband.
Oh, we find it. We find it. Oh, I want to go back to my diamond pen.
Now she returned the next.
We have find your pen.
She was late in returning.
Let's
the
become
necklace.
best
She
friends. I'm happy.
was a little bit upset with her.
Let's become best friends.
पढ़ी होती ना.
Okay. Yeah, let's become best friends.
Okay.
Okay.
Fourth one. You must have made
the
a
end.
mistake.
Good job, girls. That was very nice. You had a very nice long story
Ma'am?
there.
Ma'am,
Yes, Umar.
was there which group performed well?
Wait. First, let's do the boom shaka boom for the girl group. For Zainab, Khatija, and Musfira Sayyad. Everybody fist out. And a very deep voice, okay? Are you all ready? 1, 2, 3, and go. Boom shaka shaka boom.
Boom, shaka, boom, boom. Boom, shaka, boom,
Great.
boom.
Fantastic. Well done.
And which group performed well?
Yes, so now let me give you the feedback. Ali, can you see your face? Okay. So children, first of all of you attempted it very well. Okay. You all gave a thought to it, right? Correct? Everybody thought about what they're supposed to do and you discussed and you worked as a team. Okay. So now there are a lot of...
and do it that I know my question.
You know your question. What does that mean?
I know my dialogue. Why I do it and call and team.
Okay. Now tell me, children, did you observe something different between what the girls did and what the boys did? Did you observe anything different? Who can answer?
Yes.
Raise your hand and talk. Don't just start talking. Yes, Umaima, what was the
At
difference?
class 2 we made friends, but in the boys they were friends from first only.
Okay, that is one thing. That's about the story. I'm talking about the method. Was there something different in the method?
Yes.
Who is going to answer? Zainab. Yes, Zainab. Tell me.
They only told that I am shiny, and they only told that I'm shiny. Then Mustafa said I'm very sharp, and Umar said I'm very fast. It was not like a story.
Okay, good point. So to elaborate that, Khatija and Umar, can you switch on your videos? It's okay if you're eating, no problem. Zainab is also eating. That's okay. I'm the only one who's not eating. From next class, I'm going to get some food for myself as well. Ha!
Also
Okay.
not eating, but I have told to eat.
Okay, Umar, switch on your video, darling. Umar, where are you? Okay. So the difference was...
Mom, I was eating something. Again. It is a real...
Sorry.
No, I also have.
Sorry. Okay. So children, the difference was that Umar, video on, please. Everybody, video on. Musfira, Sayyad, and Umar. The difference is. Sorry. Oh my God. Okay. The boys did a narration. What is that called? Okay. They just spoke about themselves. Okay. Umar, did you understand that? Mustafa, Ali, did you understand?
Yes, I
Yes. Whereas, what is a dialogue? Suppose Umar, switch on your video. Let's do a trial. Umar, switch on your video. You and I are going to be a team. Just sit up. I can't see you. Okay. So Umar, unmute yourself and let's do a dialogue on the spot. Okay. We have not practiced it, but let's just do it. So I will start. Hi Umar, what are you doing nowadays?
am
playing.
What are you playing with?
I'm playing with cars.
You're playing with your toys. Which is your favorite toy, Umar?
My favorite toy is another racing car, but I cannot find that racing car.
Okay, so that is your favorite toy. Okay, so children, that was an example. Okay. Sorry. Sorry, kids. So when you are doing a dialogue, it has to be one child speaks, then the other one answers. Then the other one asks something, this one gives an answer. Okay. So a dialogue is when two children are talking to 2, 3, 4, 5 are talking to each other, right? Sorry. Whereas what the boys did was just talking about themselves. That is a narration. That's like, you know, I am so and so and I'm talking about myself. That was the difference between the boy and the girls groups, right? Now, because there was a dialogue, there could be a story in the girl group. And because boys, Ali, don't do that. Boys, because you did not have a dialogue, you could not have a story, correct? Your ideas were brilliant. Like Mustafa said that I will be able to poke the air out of the racing car, but the racing car can break my tip, right? That was a brilliant idea. All you had to do was to talk to each other. Got it? Did you understand? Give me a thumbs up, children, if you understood. Manha?
Ma'am, but we were only talking to each other.
Correct. No, I'm not saying about you, na, Musfira Sayyed. Then Musfira Sayyed's group, one very important thing about dialogues is you should never have a dialogue like, you know, Umaima, you and I should now do this, okay? We'll practice it. Just follow my lead, okay? So suppose I say, Umaima, I want your headphone. Now you say, I will not give it.
I will not give it.
No, say it with anger.
I will not give it.
No, but I want it.
But I will not.
But I want it.
No.
So now see what is happening. Isn't it boring for the audience? If I keep on doing this, I want it, I will not give it. I want it, I will not give it. So you can't repeat it so many times. Got it, Musfira Sayyed and Zainab? Understood?
We are just chasing. Boxes no in the story. That's why we have to repeat it 3 times.
That is fine. 3 boxes is fine. But you can, like you were saying, I will go and get it. I will go and get it. I will go and get it. So that should not be repeated many times. Otherwise, the audience becomes bored. Okay. Then one more feedback about Umaima's group. Umaima, your group was prepared with the dialogues on their phone, right?
My mama writing the book. But we are just saying, I can do this, I can do this.
Correct. So you all had written your dialogues, correct? Manha, Umaima, either you had written it on your phone or in your notebook, correct? Musfira Rizvani? Musfira Rizvani, sit up. We can't hear you. Sit straight. No, Musfira Rizvani, I can't hear you, darling. So in your group, my feedback is that sometimes what happens, suppose I'm reading, okay, and I say, okay, now it's my, I will not go out with you ever again. Now what is happening? If I read like that, what happens? Tell me.
That everybody can understand that they are not doing any expressions.
Correct, Umaima. The moment you start reading, the first thing which happens is your eye contact is gone. Because you're reading from your book, so you look down, so you can't look at your audience. And then because you're doing this, you can't move your hands, you can't have expressions. So it is okay to say one dialogue wrong here and there. But it is very important to have expressions. Understood, everybody? Feedback taken? Everybody understood your feedback? Now, what I loved about all of you was you have brilliant ideas. Sorry, brilliant ideas. Then some children have very good, strong voices. Mustafa, strong voice. Zainab, very strong voice. Musfira Sayyed, Umaima, Manha. Strong voices there. Okay. Remember that you are like, people are watching you. You're like a star. So when a star is walking by, you have to be very, very clear about how are you moving, what are you saying, is your body language like that? Otherwise, who will watch you? Correct? So be clear about that, and then you will be able to do even better. Got it? Understood, kids? Yes, Manha?
Ma'am, when we are performing, we don't have to
When you're performing,
when you're performing, you have to be strong. You have to be strong.
correct, correct. Absolutely. Tell me who is your
But
favorite.
ma'am, I cannot tell why I am a torch.
No, but that is okay, na? So what you should have done, tell me, Ali. Ali, sit up first. I want to see you. I don't want to see the tree.
I am a torch that I cannot say anything. I can only tell, I can only shine in your pen.
No, you can say so many things. Sorry.
You can shine in the darkness.
Correct.
Then
What
I
else can a torch
planned
say?
that also.
What else can a torch say? Who has an idea? Put your hand up.
I am telling this dialogue. I cannot tell like this. I can not pinch anyone. I cannot do.
I can say that I can poke people with my sharp edge. No, it has a round edge.
But
Sorry.
football and pencil doesn't have a eyes for hitting me too in eyes.
Very good point, Ali. So you need not make a hole in them, but you can hit them and push them back. Yes?
Ma'am, I can help the children from on my torch.
Yes, I can get the children with my torch.
In the dark.
You can also, Ali, say, oh no, where is my best friend battery? If I don't have the batteries inside me, I will have no light. Correct?
But it is already broken. That's why I tell it is shining.
Very good. If it is a broken torch, then you can say so much more. Then you can say, oh, why did that boy come and break me? I am so sad. I want to shine. Right? See, imagination has no limits, children. You can just do whatever you want to. Now, this is your first step at 7 and 8 years
It
of
is
age.
not broken touch, but it is not chargeable touch.
It is not chargeable torch. Okay. So now at 7 and 8, you've taken your first step to presentation. We will keep on doing such presentations so that you become better and better at it. Okay, kids? Yes? Awesome. So now really quickly, I want to show you a small okay.
Video?
Not a video, baby.
Oh.
You all like to annotate, right?
One day.
1 minute, just a minute.
Stupid.
Okay, can you see that? Is it good enough to read? Can you read it?
One day in
Dash, I saw my Dash acting class. She was Dash in a big dash. Then she went to Dash and did it again.
Okay, so we are going to do an example in class. Children, we are going to do an example in the class, and then you can do this at home in your notebooks. So one day, no. Who has written in my life? No, Umaima, read what is the hint below. Delete that.
I saw my acting.
No, 1 minute. Umaima, can you delete the in my
low
life?
battery.
No, I have charged it. Don't worry. Umaima, you just have to. Can you delete that, beta?
Yes.
Who has written? Yeah. Okay. Can you read below that blank is written town name. So you have to write the name of a town. One day in name of a place.
Navi Mumbai.
Okay. 1 minute. Umaima, can you write Navi Mumbai? Umaima, you will do the typing for us today.
Yeah.
And till then, I want I want Zainab to think of the next blank. Zainab, think of the next blank. Who did you see?
I see.
Family. Tell a family member.
A name of a family member.
I saw my dad.
Okay, Dad. Umaima, are you typing, baby?
Oh,
Mumbai spelling.
Mumbai.
Mumbai. Mumbai.
Correct. One day in Navi Mumbai, I saw my, and then Zainab said dad. Okay. And dad, what was dad doing? Umar, can you give me an answer? I saw my dad acting. Acting what? Acting something. You have to describe. How was he acting?
Where's the D?
You have to make a D. You have made a B. Who is this? Who has made a B?
I am made it.
Okay. Mustafa or Ali, somebody give me the answer to the next one.
what, ma'am?
Ali.
Ma'am, can I give the answer?
Who is can I? Please tell me who's I.
Umar.
Umar, tell me about this line, third blank.
Describe word.
Yeah, so which word can you use? What was the dad doing?
He was crying.
No, what is it saying? I saw my dad acting.
He was lifting a big book.
Acting what? Who can help with this blank? This is the toughest blank. Anybody can answer. Khatija?
Going in
Then
another country.
1 minute. Who said weird? Who said weird?
There will be he.
Where is dad? No, that should be mom because
Correct. Very correct. Musfira Sayyed, that is correct. Don't worry, we will change that. Who said weird? Acting weird, somebody said, right? Okay, I will give you this word. If nobody else can think of, I will give it. And I will write it also.
He was jogging.
it is going to another country.
He was jogging.
No, I saw my dad acting very good is wrong, beta. What you can say is, I saw my dad acting.
Jogging.
You can do that.
Yes.
Okay? Acting funny.
Can I have that?
Can you remove that one?
Yes, I'm
Okay.
doing.
Now who's going to give me the next part? He was. We will change it to he, of course. He was dash.
Lifting a big book.
Okay, lifting a big book. But Mustafa, make it more funny.
Big box.
Big box. No, make it funnier. Because we have said funny. na?
He is making a big dustbin. A big jog. Big
Okay. He was lifting a big dustbin is good. You could also say he was making a big mess.
Big dustbin.
Big dustbin. Okay. So he was lifting, Umaima, can you write? Lifting a big dustbin. Good. And then what will we say? Who is going to help with that? Then he went to,
Shop.
sorry?
The shop.
Then he went to the shop and did it again. Okay, that means he was going from one shop to the other shop and lifting the dustbins. Okay?
What is the action word?
Action word is a verb, beta. Lift, make, give.
One day in Navi Mumbai, I saw my dad acting funny. He was
Lifting. Umaima, lifting.
lifting.
Lifting a
Or
big.
if we want to make it funnier, can we write hugging? Can we say he was hugging a big dustbin?
Yes.
Yes? Sorry.
Not hugging the dustbin.
Yes, because it's funny, right?
Hugging,
is an action word.
My dad acting so why
hugging spelling.
H-U-double-G. Just write H-U-double-G. ING is already written there.
is written she was.
That is because it is already there. We are changing it to he. Don't worry.
Was.
Yeah, hugging a big dustbin. And then he went to shop and did it again. Okay? Do you understand this, kids?
One day. Can I read it, ma'am? Can I read it?
Okay, wait, wait, wait. No, we are not reading it. Did you understand what you're going to do? Give me a thumbs up if you did.
Yes.
This I'm going to send it to you on Google Classroom, this image, and you write it in your notebook. Whatever funny thing, try to think as funny and as crazy as possible, okay? It could be a he, it could be a she, it could be an it also. And
We don't know the spelling then.
if you don't know the spelling, ask your mom or dad, or you can write whatever spelling you want, I will correct it. And one more thing is, don't just write common places like Navi Mumbai and Pune, and think of crazier places. Like a place can also be a rocket can be a place. It can also be a desert. No, I'm saying don't use this regular. Which land? Wonderland. Yes. Yes. Imagica can be a place. Correct? So think like that. If you change the place, everything will change. Okay? Under the sea can also be a place. Underwater.
I can write this.
Okay? So good job, children. Pat yourself on the back quickly. Pat yourself.
I can write this. He hugged the dustbin. He is in the stool and he fell down and dustbin also fell down.
Yes, but that will be a different story. You have to stick to this basic template.
Ma'am, at Monday we're going to make ice cream.
On Monday, you're going to make ice cream.
On Friday,
Awesome. All right, so children, time up. Hands up. Then you can pat yourself. Collars up. Collars up. Hug yourself. Kiss yourself. Mwah, 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 mwah. And let's do the boom shaka shaka boom. 1, 2, 3 and go. Boom shaka shaka boom. Boom shaka shaka boom. And now very slowly, very slow, speed slow. Boom shaka shaka boom. And now extremely fast. Extremely fast. Excellent. Good job, children. See you on Monday and do this activity. All right? How sweet is it? How sweet is it?
Bye.
Stay safe. Love you. Gule gule. Bye, Shazia ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye. Bye, everyone. Guten Morgen. Okay, now just take rest and come back at 11 o'clock, okay?
I will drink my soy cup.
Okay, okay. Okay, and our experiment, ice cream making experiment is on Monday because Friday is holiday, okay? Okay, chalo, bye-bye everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I know.